Welcome to City Grown. My name's Rob Boy. In this episode, an easy and fun way to do Cajun style or Cajun shrimp, right? So I have some Cajun seasoning I've made myself. You can buy it out of a jar, can, whatever, and do the same way, but I like to make my own, and I'll have the recipe in the more section below here for you, or you can go out to citygrown.com and get the recipe. But anyways, I already have some oil in the pan, some olive oil, about a tablespoon of olive oil and clarified butter. So instead of putting this on the shrimp, I'm going to put it in the pan first. I want to get here in the oil, and I'm going to toast it up, so to speak. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it in there. I can smell the flavors cooking on there. That's going to be really good. So let me spin my oil around here. Wow, it smells delicious already. Inside that oil. I only can take about 30 seconds here, or less. And I've got this on a medium-high heat to really toast up that thyme that's in there and some of the other seasonings. And then what we're going to do is put in the shrimp. So let me just set this here for another 10-20 seconds. Alright, so now my seasoning's in there. I'm going to go ahead and place the shrimp in. I've peeled, deveined the shrimp, of course. And most of the water's off of it. I dried it up a bit. But we're going to just, in a sense, stir it in here to get all those seasonings onto the shrimp. This is only going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, and it's going to be ready to serve as soon as it gets pink. Alright, it's been about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Look, the shrimp are curling just as I expect them to. So they are ready. We have this great sauce in here. This is going to be great either on a white rice or linguine. And you can get this recipe at citygrill.com. I'll put the recipe actually below here in the description. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is excellent. It smells wonderful. You've got to do this recipe.